Well, some kids in New Orleans are blasting off on a new way to learn this summer. They learned about rockets out at the UNO Lakefront Arena and built their own. It was all part of STEM NOLA's first in-person event in more than a year. The organization shifted its learning events to virtual during the pandemic. They aim to teach kids about science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM, in a fun and hands-on way.
This is exactly the type of rockets that Boeing and NASA make to take us on different types of journeys and exploration. And they are having the opportunity to count down and shoot these rockets. And the smile that come on their face, that is what we're looking for, because they know now that they could be the person not only making a rocket, but they could be the person actually riding on the next rocket.
More than 300 students signed up for STEM NOLA's Rocket Day event. The organization is planning on holding 2 more events this month. Well, the sky stayed clear enough for them to get those rockets out.
I want to do that.
I know, right? We feel left out.
Right. Nice and interactive, though. Good thing for them to do today.